Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products out there. Today, we're diving into something truly special, the thoughtfully gourmet truffle salt and olive oil gift set.
If you're a food enthusiast like me, you're in for a treat. Now, let me tell you why this is hands down the best flavored olive oil variety pack on the market right now. This set includes not just one or two, but 4 premium extra virgin olive oils infused with truffle flavors,
alongside 2 types of truffle salts that feature real truffles.
It's a culinary dream come true. Each bottle of olive oil is a masterpiece, cold-pressed from Spanish olives and infused with distinct truffle flavors like truffle garlic, truffle chili, truffle rosemary, and more. These aren't just your run-of-the-mill oils. They're crafted to elevate every dish they touch.
Whether you're drizzling the truffle garlic over roasted vegetables or adding a touch of the truffle chili to your pasta,
the flavors are rich, authentic, and guaranteed to transform even the simplest of meals into gourmet delights.
And let's not forget the truffle salts. They add that perfect finishing touch with their intense aroma and taste.
What's more, the thoughtfully gourmet set isn't just about what's inside the bottles. It's about the entire experience. The packaging is sleek and gift-ready, making it an ideal choice for those who appreciate fine culinary gifts. Just imagine presenting this to someone. It's a guaranteed wow moment.
It's not just a purchase, it's an investment in enhancing your cooking and dining experiences. So, if you're looking to take your kitchen adventures to the next level or searching for that perfect gift for a foodie friend, look no further than the thoughtfully gourmet truffle salt and olive oil gift set.
With its authentic flavors, premium quality, and impeccable presentation, it's a winner in my books. That wraps up today's review.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more honest product reviews. Until next time, happy cooking!